Welcome back to Review Revolt, where today we are taking a closer look at one of the most exciting mechanical keyboards on the market, the Womier SK65. Often praised as the best Halo 65 keyboard, this sleek 60% compact marvel packs all the right features for gamers and professionals alike. If you're looking for a keyboard that combines style, performance, and customization, the SK65 may just be your perfect match. First off, let's talk about its build quality. The Womier SK65 is constructed with a full CNC aluminum case, providing a premium feel and solid durability. Compared to plastic alternatives, this aluminum build feels robust in your hands, offering a cool touch that adds to the overall smooth typing experience. The solid weight also contributes to a stable and comfortable feel, ensuring that each key press is satisfying. The design is also enhanced by a gasket mount and sound-absorbing foams. This unique feature not only reduces typing fatigue but also helps minimize noise, making the SK65 an ideal choice whether you're gaming or working. Plus, the keyboard is equipped with Womier's custom linear switches, offering a smooth keystroke with a confident, bottoming-out clack. You won't experience any reverberation thanks to their factory-lubed palm base. Customization is a big selling point with this keyboard. The SK65 is a hot-swappable mechanical keyboard, which means you can easily modify the switches to your liking. It comes with a 2-in-1 key puller that makes swapping out keycaps or switches a breeze, no extra tools needed. Whether you're a novice or an expert, this level of customization ensures your keyboard fits your unique style and preference. As for connectivity, the Womier SK65 supports 3 different modes: Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired. This means you can easily connect it to multiple devices, including your PC, laptop, tablet, phone, and even gaming consoles like the Switch, Xbox, and PlayStation. The keyboard is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, giving you seamless use across platforms. Thanks to its 3,750 mAh battery, you'll enjoy an impressive battery life that lasts for up to 200 hours on a single charge, with just 6 to 8 hours required for a full recharge. One standout feature of the SK65 is the multimedia knob, which gives you direct control over volume. By turning the knob clockwise, you can increase the volume, or counterclockwise to decrease it. Pressing the knob mutes your sound. This practical design element is a game changer, especially when multitasking or adjusting volume without interrupting your workflow. Additionally, the keyboard comes with software programming features, allowing you to remap keys, set up macros, and adjust lighting effects. Speaking of lighting, the SK65 doesn't disappoint. It boasts south-facing RGB backlighting that ensures even and vibrant light distribution. With multiple lighting effects and customizable color and brightness settings, you can create the perfect ambiance for any gaming setup or workspace. Whether you're after a subtle glow or a bright, colorful display, this keyboard has you covered. In conclusion, the Womier SK65 is an impressive keyboard that strikes the perfect balance between aesthetics, performance, and customization. Whether you're using it for gaming, work, or daily tasks, it's built to handle it all with style and efficiency. If you want a keyboard that stands out in both design and functionality, the Womier SK65 is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching Review Revolt, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the best tech products out there.